In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade gold on MetaTrader 5. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your MetaTrader 5 over here, so your desktop app, or of course you can do the same on your phone as well. And then first thing you want to do is you want to, of course, connect an account. So go to File, top left, click on over here where it says Open an Account, and then you can just find whatever account you would like to add. You can find your broker or whatever you're using, and you can just sign into your account. So for me, I just opened up a demo account with MetaTrader itself, which is going to be MetaQuotes. I click on Next over here, and then you can click on Open a Demo, and then this will open up a demo account once you put in some of your info. Now, if you're doing this with any of your brokers, likely you will have to click over here, connect with an existing trade account. You'll have to put in your login and your password, which will be separate from your actual account login. So if you create an account with a broker, you will get the password and the login info, so the credentials inside your account. It's not going to be the same. And then once you do that, just click on Finish, and you'll see this interface. Now here, this is the regular usual default interface. On the left, you can see Market Watch and you can see the symbols. To actually find gold, you want to go down here and you want to click to add, click on that, and you want to type this in. So this is going to be gold versus US dollar. It's going to be XAU USD. This is gold versus US dollar. Click on that, and then just like this, it's going to get added to your list over here. To actually see it on a chart, right click it and then click on chart window, and there we go. This is gonna be gold versus the US dollar. Okay, and then here you can click on new order up top, and as you can see, you can just create your order over here. You can select how much you'd like to buy or sell, and then you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.